Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 18 to 24, 2023. This is a general reading. Maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see. Capricorn, September 18 to 24. We have praying mantis. You have more time with meditation, prayer, or alone time, ganyan. Mas gusto mo ng katahimikan ngayon. You also have gazelle. May change of direction, change of plans, and also cloud. Ayan. So, itong praying mantis, I think you're going to focus on solidarity, no? Maaring meron kang mga pag-iisipan or decision making na gagawin na nangangailangan ng talagang focus mo pagdating sa pag-aaral, no? Parang aaralin mo, tama ba tong decision ko na to? And I think you will also be connecting to your higher self, no? Hingi ka ng tulong sa iyong higher self, sa iyong spiritual team na bigyan ka ng ng wisdom, no, ng knowledge para sa gagawin mo. And I think you are also going to be asking for guidance sa tinatahak mo ngayon na landas. And with gazelle here, kasi maaring merong change of direction ka, change of plans, no? Yung mga nauna mo ng plano, maaring may babaguhin ka dahil may mga nagbabago rin sa paligid mo na hindi mo na kontrolado. So, I feel like you are adapting, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo isinusuko yung plano mo, but you are making changes to make it still work according to the situation na meron ka. Okay? You are agile, you are flexible, you are adaptable, you are resilient. So, kayang-kaya mo yan. Okay? You also have the cloud. The cloud is about ritual. Being conscious in creating something. You have a lot of visions. I think marami kang ideas na may potential na maging successful, maging reality, no? So, that's why you are also being careful in your actions. Pinag-aaralan mo bawat galaw mo, bawat step na iti-take mo. And at the same time, meron ka ring backup plan, no? Hindi yung tipong isa lang yung hindi tipong is plan A lang. Meron kang plan B, meron kang plan C. Kasi ganun ka ka-adaptable, ganun ka ka-flexible. Okay? So let us see what else. Ano pa for Capricorn? Nine of Cups, celebration, happiness, fulfillment. I think meron kang wish na matutupad this week. Some of you are going to be celebrating with your loved ones, with your family. It's a fulfilling week for you. Maaring meron kang mga goals na yung mga tina-target mong goals, ma-achieve mo. O diba, speaking of target, you have the 8 of Wands. A lot of messages, you will be dealing with communication, talking to some people, pwedeng mga katrabaho mo to, kanegosyo, or clients mo. You also have the Queen of Wands. So, there's some travel opportunities for you. More on creating something. I think you are becoming more creative, related to your passion, related to your talents, your skills. Yun yung importante sa'yo, yung passion mo. Wow, you have the 4 of Wands. It's like a celebration for you. Some of you, Capricorn, merong celebration sa family. Maaring merong reason kung bakit kayo magiging masaya, bakit merong celebration. This can be an achievement na nakuha ng isa sa family members ninyo, or yung iba nagkaroon ng anak or kinasal. Alam mo yun? So there are a lot of milestones na isi-celebrate ninyo ng family nyo this week. And this can also be you na meron kang goal na mata-target mo talaga this week. Okay? And this is also about stability. So I think kung naging unstable yung situation mo in the past, like for example sa relationship mo, sa family mo, or sa finances mo. So this week, things are changing. Everything's going to be under your control. And I think you are also tapping into your instinct ngayon, yung intuition mo na yan yung nagli-lead sa'yo towards dun sa mga steps na gagawin mo. You also have Jupiter in Aries in the first house, which is enterprising. So, enterprise is about business. So, maaring mas nag-grow yung business mo. You have Jupiter here. Jupiter is about growth, abundance, expansion. Okay? And Aries energy in the first house is having this, meron kang initiative, no? Or parang lakas ng loob na magpatuloy, no? Meron kang tiwala sa sarili mo. Kumbaga, go lang ng go. You have so much power to use. And then, you also have Mercury in Aquarius in the 11th house. 11th house is community. This is also group. So, some of you, you are a member of a group or merong leadership role sa inyo sa grupo, no? Ikaw yung kukunin nilang leader. Or some of you, meron kang mga gagawin related sa community mo na kung saan i-recognize nila yung creation mo, yung pagiging original mo. And then, let's see what else. Parang meron kang invention. Sight. Detach your emotions from situations that you cannot control. So, anything na hindi mo kontrolado, you're going to let that go. Isusurrender mo kasi ayaw mo na ma-distract ka sa mga plano mo. You also have Tiger, divine timing. Good things come to those who wait. So, syempre, patience is the key to success. So, hintayin mo lang yung mga rewards na ina-expect mo, lalo na if you are working towards that, makukuha mo yan, yung divine timing na yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.